that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family. And the truth, you know, love is all we need.